All right, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to log into math games for those of you that are still struggling with it. So Monday's math challenge, this is not optional. You need to do this, please. Every time I give you a math challenge, I would like you to do it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on login, and it's going to take you to this page. If it doesn't, just click on something that says sign in or login. And then you're going to see right here, sign in. And then you're going to click on login with Google. And Gabby, I'm going to use you as my example. And you're going to use your MIS email address and your password. And that will log you in. All right, don't worry if you see something like this. All you have to do is click on your name like that, and it will take you to this page. All right, you want to go to this page. Now here you see it says assignments. All right, and this is the math challenge that you need to do today. All right, so please click on that. And then these are just suggestions. You don't have to do that, but you do have to do Monday's math challenge. So click on it and complete it, please. All right. Okie dokie. That's all.